Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks 1099 Wizard for contractor payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate the QuickBooks 1099 Wizard for contractor payments, begin by launching your QuickBooks application. Once the application is open, navigate to the Tools menu located in the top menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Prepare 1099s. A new window will appear, prompting you to confirm your setup. If you have not set up 1099 contractors before, you will need to enable 1099 payments. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your business information. Once confirmed, you will be asked to select the contractors you wish to include for 1099 processing. Review the list of contractors and select those who meet the 1099 criteria. After selecting the contractors, click the Continue button to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to choose the payment types you wish to track. Select the appropriate payment types that correspond with your contractor payments. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to move to the next step. QuickBooks may ask you to review your information before finalizing your setup. Take a moment to verify all details are correct. When everything looks good, click the Finish Setup button to activate the wizard. You can now use the 1099 wizard to manage and prepare your contractor payments effectively. To access the wizard in the future, simply return to the Tools menu and select Prepare 1099s. Follow the prompts to generate your 1099 forms as needed. QuickBooks will guide you through the process of filing and printing your forms for distribution. Congratulations, you have successfully activated the QuickBooks 1099 Wizard for contractor payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.